Hi, this is Forhad. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up your React Native application in 2025. So this is really very easy setup. First of all, you have to go to their official website. As you can see, first you need to install Choco from Chocolate, their website, or you can use PowerShell. So what I will do, I will be using PowerShell to install the chocolate and Node.js latest version. But make sure that you have to run as administrator your PowerShell. So it will take time. From my side, my Node.js, it was installed before. That's why it's not taking too much time for that. But for in your case, it will take a little bit time. So after installing, then you need to install the Android SDK. I mean Android Studio. With Android Studio, you will have Android SDK platform, Android virtual devices. So from my side, previously I already installed Android Studio. That's why I don't need to install Android Studio again. But in your case, you just download it, Android Studio, and install these things. That's really easy stuff. So the most important part is that you have to set up your environment. So that thing sometime is headache, but I will show you that how you can set up your environment. So already my project has this was my previous project, so I need to close this project first, and then I'll open my React Native project. So my chocolate already installed, and now I'll install the React Native Expo. So let's go to the folder. You can also check if you have the Android Studio set up, then you can also check your SDK manager and that three things like SDK platforms, um, and also Google APIs that you need to uh, install as well. So after installing all the things, then you need to install the React Native Expo, and you need to run that project IDE you prefer. First, you need to copy these things. So this is the path. We need to set up the environment. So now I'll show you that how you can set up your environment. First, you need to go to Control Panel, then User Account. Again, click on User Account. Then you have to find Change Environment Variable. So here you need to go to User Variable and then New. Then you have to write variable names, Android Home, and I just copy paste the variable path. So after completing, you're good to go. So you don't need to do anything with that link. They're saying that already your SDK link is set up with that link. So now, uh, actually, I'll go with Expo, and I'll be installing the React Native project. So it will take a little bit time. So I'll skip that part. Now you need to type npm run android, then it will open your emulator as well, and it will run the emulator. So here is the React Native application is running. Still it's taking a little bit time. So here you go. So I think that's all, guys, and in the next video, I will show the folder structure and other things like how you can set up your project, how you can start your first app. So that's all I think.